Did you know that when a baby giraffe is born, it falls almost 2 meters, and that fall is the first lesson of survival? A newborn giraffe hits the ground hard, but within minutes, it's already trying to stand. Not because it wants to, but because it has to. Lions watch the herds from a distance, waiting for the weakest moment. The mother nudges her calf again and again until it finds its balance on those long, shaky legs. Once it stands, the whole herd forms a loose circle around it, keeping predators away. And after only an hour, the baby can already run beside its mother. In the wild, every minute matters, and giraffes learn that from the very first breath.